today we say goodbye to our old friend, Mr. Lennox air conditioner. It's 23 years old. As far as we know, it's only broken down once. It's kind of rusted out, needing repair. It's been kind of reliable, but yet we've been worried about it. Hi.
Over the last few months, we noticed that the secondary drain of the air conditioner coils was dripping a lot. We suspected a problem with the primary drain, but after further investigation, we found significant rust, allowing condensation water to bypass the primary drain and flow directly into the drain pan. Although our HVAC was still operational, we felt that after running for 23 years, a hard failure was imminent. We obtained a couple of quotes, but in the end, we found that booking through Costco was the best quality for our money. We're having Airco service come over and install a new HVAC system in our house. Airco is the local vendor that Costco supplied for us. Here you can see them taking the old Freon out of the system.
Another inch, there you go. And here we have the new one in place. We're all done back here except for filling it with the Freon, or whatever the new product is called.
Although the temperature outside was only in the 80s, it was still hot work in the attic.
The big hardware carcass. There's the old blower furnace with this light, but there's the cooling coils. Down here is where the big water is coming from. It was dripping into the old drip pan there. Into the mess.
The installers were thankful I had a metal attic ladder. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell if you want notifications.
We're up on the roof putting in a new exhaust stack.
Once the blower and coolant sections were in place, refrigerant was added. We tested the thermostat and then completed the paperwork. This job is completed.